Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement, can be applied to various aspects of life by focusing on small incremental changes rather than drastic overhauls. Namaste and welcome. I'm Rachna Pednekar, founder Drishti Manthan. On my channel, I post content on motivation, travel and mental health. This video is really going to be transformative, hence I encourage you to please watch the video till the end and also please do like, share and subscribe. Alright, let's get going. Recently, I read a book on Kaizen by Sarah Harvey and the book explains that Kaizen can be literally applied to each and every areas of our lives, be it travel, work, career, money, relationships, food and eating habits, our routines, so on and so forth. This concept focuses on small yet consistent efforts and also growth and development. The concept also tells us that we need to focus on our continuous learning and growth, learn from our mistakes to foster that growth and development. But how do we apply Kaizen in our day-to-day lives? Don't worry, we are exactly going to see 5 easy steps that how we can apply this concept in our day-to-day lives. Step number 1, identify the improvement areas. This is nothing but self-reflection. This plays an instrumental role. We need to know that what are the areas in our life that we need to improve upon. Step number 2, set small achievable goals. Rather than focusing on long-term goals, we need to break it up into small goals that are achievable and also easily measurable. So I'm going to give you an example about this 1 minute rule. Now what's that? Now this is something which is very interesting. We need to dedicate at least 1 minute in a day to do those particular tasks that we have been avoiding. See, this is the consistent effort. Number 3, establish consistent routines. Kaizen is all about vitamin D. That means discipline and dedication to make the continuous efforts to make that improve, to go towards that improvement consistently, taking small baby steps. So it's very important to have a structured, disciplined routine. Step number 4, embrace learning and growth. We all make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. But what Kaizen teaches us is to focus on the mistakes and convert that into learning opportunities. That's very important. And last but not the least, most important step, step number 5, focus on the process and not only on the outcome. Well, Kaizen is about continuous improvement. So it's a journey. It's not a destination. When we focus on what is currently at the moment, what is there in front of us, it helps us become better individuals. That actually fosters growth and development. So we also need to pay attention to our daily habits and actions that contribute in achieving our goals. So what's that one small change that you are going to implement today? Please write in your comments because that motivates me to design good content for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned to this channel for regular such interesting interactions. Remember, you are a special gift of God into this world. Heal yourself, heal the people, heal the environment because only you and you have the power. Stay positive, stay smiling, stay fit. Have a blessed day. Namaste.